Hi, my name is Aaron Pope, and I wanted to do a testimonial for advanced hyperbaric recovery. This is actually my second time doing hyperbaric oxygen treatment. About 10 years ago, I came into another clinic to do some treatment because I had chronic knee problems, pain from 4 different knee surgeries, and it just wouldn't go away. And so I came in because my ex at the time was running the clinic, and I came in to do 20 treatments to get rid of my knee pain, and it really helped a lot. And while I was there, I learned a lot about the power of hyperbaric oxygen and just how many different types of symptoms and problems it could help with. So this time I've come in because recently I suffered 2 mild strokes 1 week apart. The cause of those strokes was that there is an artery that leads into the back of my brain, and there's a small tear in that artery, and that caused a clot. And so I had 1 stroke. I was taken to the hospital and released a few days later with some blood thinners, and then I had another stroke, and that was obviously very, very scary to me. I had some serious symptoms, but they weren't really severe symptoms. So I decided right away, knowing what I know about hyperbaric oxygen, that I wanted to get into the chamber as fast as possible. I wanted to do this for 2 reasons. First of all, I wanted the hyperbaric oxygen to help my brain recover from the cognitive symptoms and problems that I'd had from the 2 strokes, and I knew that it would help with that. And the second reason is that I really wanted to speed up the healing time of this tear in my artery, because until that tear heals, I'm always at risk of another stroke, and I wanted to reduce my risk as much as possible, and I knew that the hyperbaric oxygen treatment would do that, and I felt very confident that it was an important and smart thing for me to do. So I came to advanced hyperbaric recovery, and I've been doing treatment now about 3 weeks, and I've done 2 different types of treatments. The first type was 10 treatments at a lower pressure to help with the cognitive symptoms, and they have mostly gone away, and I don't know if that's all due to the hyperbaric oxygen, but I believe they help with them. And I'm now doing longer treatments at a higher pressure to help speed up the healing process of this artery, this tear in this artery that's leading into my brain. And so this is the type of treatment where I don't know if I'm actually going to feel a lot of what's happening, but I'm really feeling confident that this is helping reduce my risk. I'm feeling better and better every day. I have more energy. I feel more like myself, and life is sort of getting back to normal. And in a few months, I will do another MRI, and we can see if that tear in the artery has actually healed. The MRI will show that, and I'm hoping that the oxygen has really sped up that recovery time. So coming to this clinic has been really awesome to me. I have to say that the staff is really knowledgeable and really nice and really compassionate. I've seen a lot of other patients come in and out, and they're getting really good benefits from it, and I just feel really safe and nice when I come in. It's kind of a good part of my day. I get to slide into the chamber, and I have mild claustrophobia. It's not really bad, but it's mild, and so I like to watch movies when I'm in there, have something to keep my mind on things. Or sometimes I can close my eyes and take a nap, but it's really easy for me to come in and just come in for an hour and a half, 2 hours, and it's a really relaxing part of my day, and it's not traumatic at all, and I really enjoy it, and it just feels right to me, and I know it's doing good things for me. So I'm really appreciating the care I'm getting here. I'm appreciating getting to know the staff, and I think it's just an amazing clinic, and I really would recommend anyone who has some kind of problem that hyperbaric oxygen could help with, come to this clinic and get some treatment.